Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the unit and removing ear pads to expose the hinge. Use a 1.52 screwdriver and a plastic spudger so you don't scratch plastic. This prevents new damage. Once done, keep screws organized in a container and photograph screw locations for reassembly. You're accessing the swivel assembly now because worn bearings or stripped screws cause play. Addressing access correctly saves time and helps you diagnose whether lubrication, tightening, or part replacement is needed. You now remove the visible screws and gently pry open clips, easing panels apart to avoid snapping plastic tabs. Once open, inspect the swivel. Check for loose bearings, metal shims, stripped screw holes, or cracked housings. These explain wobble or locking failure. Make sure to compare screw length and thread pitch against originals. This matters because the wrong screw can strip further. If a bushing is missing or plastic is cracked, you'll decide between reinforcement, a replacement part, or careful epoxy repair. You repair by replacing worn bearings or adding a drop of light grease to restore smooth motion, and use thread locker or a slightly larger /nylon screw to fix stripped threads. This prevents recurrence. If plastic cracked, reinforce with epoxy or a small 3D printed brace, making sure joins align before curing. Once reassembled, test swivel through full range and perform a gentle stress test. If wobble persists, try tightening in small increments. If binding occurs, loosen and reseat components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.